Mara is trending down 2.44%. This is Friday, the 21st of November, 2025. Intraday low for the stock is $9.72. It is down 2.44%. This is still the pre-market session. Not a lot of shares is expected to have exchanged hands. Okay, average volume is 56 million. Who knows whether it's going to meet that volume today. Volatility is expected to get high. Look at that. Beta is five. Beta is five. So if the broader market is down 3%, Mara is going to go. I mean, as it were, historically, it will be down 15%. So it magnifies the broader market in either direction massively. I think that's quite high. There might be higher beta values for various for different stocks. Okay, so let's see now. These will expire today. This is October. This is November 21 option series. Let's see now. Let's go down and have a look at the December 19. Let's see what we have here with them in terms of open interests. On the call side, on the put side, it looks quite decent. It looks quite decent. So people are having a look. They are getting involved. They are quite pessimistic. It seems they are quite pessimistic. Let's see now. The spread is okay. It's trading nicely. Aggression is there. Aggression is there. Yeah, aggression is there, and I think they are discovering prices. Yes, especially on the buy side, people are, they are making the most of what's going on. Yeah, the stock has been on a downtrend since. Yeah, yeah, just like every other company associated with crypto assets, especially the major ones. It's been the stock has been contracting. The expansion that peaked on the 16th of October has been contracting it, and amid the sell-off associated with Bitcoin, yes, projections here are saying 11.48. It's a pivotal projection. If it can close above that, then you might go ahead and try 11.67 and then 12.08. The chance of it closing or retesting those highs will improve, but statistically the probability of it retesting 12 points or rather $12 is very small, quite small, less than 10%. Lower prices are expected to keep printing going all the way towards the 2nd of December. Nothing in sight. I mean, nothing to the upside. There might be an attempt to bounce. As a matter of fact, the extrapolation is saying that momentum might begin to build up from Monday the 24th, and it's expected to remain strong up till Friday, up till Wednesday the 26th. Yeah, up to Wednesday the 26th, even. Yeah, up to Wednesday the 26th. So anything could happen. Anything can happen between now and then. People have been a bit outraged about the broader market sell-off and the sell-off in crypto assets. Um, who knows? At some point, the reversal might occur, or a bottom might occur. So let's gradually have a look at its daily. Daily chart. Let's see what it's going to say here. Here we have a bounce is expected. A bounce is expected, and let's see now is saying that rather the 40-day moving average is positioning in its extrapolation to ensure it doesn't go through. But based on the extrapolation, it's not really going to go through, at least not anytime this for the rest of this month. I mean, based on this extrapolation, maybe towards early January, it might do so. Okay, so a contraction of any any expansion is maybe challenged by the 40-day moving average. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Momentum, just as this extrapolation is saying, is expected to begin to improve from today. If uh, if that's the case, that'll be good. That'll be good. If that turns out to be the case, that's good. It's saying that momentum might pick up today, but we haven't seen that so far. This is the pre-market session. So the stock is trending. Let's find out more about what's going on.
Marathon Digital Holdings, MARA, is trending as traders weigh the impact of Bitcoin's recent pullback on the company's profitability and long term strategy. As one of the largest publicly traded Bitcoin miners, Mara's revenue and margins are tightly linked to Bitcoin's price direction. With Bitcoin experiencing notable declines, community discussions have intensified around how sustained weakness could strain the company's mining economics, especially after the most recent halving increased competition and reduced block rewards. At the same time, Marathon is actively working to diversify beyond pure Bitcoin mining, a move that has sparked both optimism and skepticism. The company has begun piloting AI inference and broader GPU driven compute initiatives, exploring how its energy focused infrastructure can support high performance computing (HPC) workloads. This shift positions Mara to potentially benefit from the explosive demand for AI compute capacity, a narrative that some investors believe could help reduce the company's reliance on Bitcoin cycles. A major part of that strategy is the recently announced agreement to acquire a 64% stake in Excion, a French HPC and AI infrastructure provider owned by the EDF Group, for approximately $168 million. Supporters see the acquisition as a bold step that could give Mara immediate credibility in the AI HPC space, granting access to European data center expertise, enterprise clients, and a faster path to scaling GPU deployments. Critics, however, question whether the company is overextending itself or diverting focus away from its core mining operations during a turbulent period for the crypto market. The community remains sharply divided. Bulls argue that Mara is oversold and that its Bitcoin holdings, mining capacity, and new diversification plays create an attractive entry point. Bears counter that further downside is likely if Bitcoin continues to slip, and they raise concerns about management execution, dilution risks, and the feasibility of the company's pivot toward AI infrastructure. As Bitcoin volatility persists, sentiment around Mara continues to swing, with traders closely watching both crypto price action and updates on the company's evolving strategic direction.
Okay, let's quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. This is its price pressure momentum. It's just going to give us its severely bearish. Okay, let's see whether people are actually buying. Is the yeah, it has it's worsening. People are selling. Yes. Has the pace increased? Yes, the pace has increased. Yeah, buying pressure has increased. The buying pace has equally increased as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, buying pressure has increased. Yeah. Okay. I think the pace has it slowed down slightly. Has slowed down by slightly. Yes. Yeah. Buying pressure has increased, but the pace has slowed down slightly. Okay. So that means some buying is going on, but it's not changing the direction of the stock. So see what you make of all of these, and thank you very much for watching this video.